CA-700 Operating Instruction and Precautions. There are 3 topics of this video, please pay attention on it. 1. Charging instructions. While charging, the LED indicator will flash red. The charging process will be completed in approximately 2 to 3 hours. The red lights won't off until unplugging it. Connecting to the app to see if the power is full. The LED indicator will flash green when power on it. And prepare to do the measurement. 2. The new software version supports 2-component test reagent for coffee. One is caffeine and chlorogenic acid, the other is new trigonelline. About the USB testing board notice. 1. Please insert the USB test board fully into the slot. The coffee reduction reaction liquid should be evenly spread over the white square area of the USB test board. About the USB testing board notice. 2. When you finish the test process, please gently cover the test board with a tissue paper. After the liquid is completely absorbed, then remove the USB board. This could prevent the liquid from leaking back into the USB interface. Now, let's start to see the whole testing process of the app. 1. Connect to the CA-700 and choose the testing items. 2. Before the testing, we have total 180 seconds to do the preparation after pressing the Start Operation key. 3. After everything is ready, please press the Start Testing, then wait for the 10 to 15 seconds. Then we'll see the testing results from the app. Storage and usage precautions for test reagents. After receiving the reagent, store it in the refrigerator. Before measurement, take it out and allow it to reach room temperature before use to ensure optimal measurement accuracy. Thank you for watching. Any further questions about the CA-700, please contact with us.